Well, a Davidson County murder case that got international attention heads to trial for a second time. A Superior Court judge set a pretrial date for Tom Martins and Molly Corbett today. The father and daughter had their initial conviction overturned by the state Supreme Court. That happened last year. They've been out on bond since earlier this year. WFMY News 2's Daniel Cruz takes a closer look at this case and shares what's next.
This case dates back more than a decade. Jason Corbett and Molly Corbett moved to the U.S. in 2011. Their love story dates back years before, when Molly was originally hired to be the nanny to Jason's 2 children from a previous marriage. But it all took a turn in 2015. On August 15, 2015, Molly Corbett's parents drove into town to visit their grandchildren. Late that night, Martins, Molly Corbett's father, was awakened by a scuffle from the master bedroom upstairs. With a baseball bat in hand, Martins went upstairs from the downstairs basement bedroom to investigate the noise. He claims Jason Corbett had Molly Corbett in a chokehold and would not let her go. Martins then hit Jason Corbett in the head with a baseball bat. The two struggled as Molly then struck Jason with a brick paver that was left on the nightstand.
Davidson County 911. My son-in-law got in a fight with my daughter. I intervened, and he's in bad shape.
Investigators found inconsistencies in the evidence and their story.
He's got Molly by the throat.
Eventually charging both with Jason Corbett's murder.
He was screaming, "I'm going to kill you."
The two were charged and convicted in the 2017 murder, but a judge later overturned their convictions, citing jury misconduct. The two were given a $200,000 bond and were released in March of this year. Today, 7 years after Jason Corbett's murder, Martins and Molly Corbett returned to learn the future of the case. Judge David Hall set a retrial date for June of 2023. Both Molly Corbett and Martins were in court today, but they averted our cameras. Jason Corbett's daughter Sarah is now 16 years old, flew from Ireland to be in court, along with Jason Corbett's sister Tracy and her husband. The two have legal custody of the children per Jason's will. Until the trial date, Tom and Molly Corbett will be returning to their Tennessee home. Jason Corbett's family will fly back to Ireland on Thursday. Pretrial motions are expected to be presented June 12th of 2023, with jury selection set to begin on June 26th.